With Vizard's Motion Graphics generation feature, you can create 9 different types of motion graphics: shape-to-word animations, graphs, Vox-style videos, meme reactions, 2D flat animation, 3D motion graphics, motion transitions, text animations, and maps. Each format helps you present information in a more visual and engaging way. Let's move on to how to add them to your video. Go to the projects page and select the video where you want to add motion graphics. Hover over the project and click the scissors icon to enter the editor. Once you're inside the editor, look at the right side toolbar. Here you'll find the Generate option. Click it and then choose Generate Motion Graphics. Now you'll see a prompt box. Simply type a short description of the motion graphic you want to create. You can also upload an image or video as a style reference if you want the animation to match a certain visual look. Next, choose your aspect ratio, set the duration, and select a background style that fits your video. When everything looks good, click Generate. In just a moment, Vizard will create the motion graphic based on your input. Once it's generated, you can resize it directly on the canvas to fit your frame. Then use the timeline to place it exactly where you want it to appear in your video. If needed, you can also adjust the duration of the motion graphic on the timeline to match the pacing of your scene. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can add dynamic motion graphics to make your videos more engaging and visually polished.